Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and once again, Beeper Mini is short-lived. So another Beeper update. I've done a couple of these this week. Beeper Mini was brought back from the dead about a week ago, a little less than a week ago, once Apple blocked it the first time, and Beeper found a way to fix that, and another workaround got it working again. It had been working great for a couple of days, and then last night I noticed that my messages on my OnePlus Open here on Beeper Mini were not the same messages that I had on my iPhone, and I tried to send a message from my Beeper Mini app and it didn't go through. It said it was delivered, but it didn't show up on iMessage on my iPhone, and the person I was sending it to didn't get it. So I deleted the app and reinstalled the app because that did fix previous issues that happened about midweek when they had some, and I did that. And it did not fix the issue. I actually, when I got back into Beeper, let me not show everybody's phone number here. Let's see. Yeah, I don't have any blank ones in there that I can show without showing people's phone numbers. But when I hit new chat and I select a contact, it just says that they can't be reached on iMessage. So it's not even like syncing or registering the fact that that is an iMessage number. And if I had chats on here, they are not, they wouldn't send or receive. It's blank now, like I said, because I did reinstall it. But yep, it's not syncing, it's not sending or receiving. It is completely dead once again. And oddly enough, this time Beeper has not made any post on X or anything about this issue. Normally when there was an outage, they were right on it, letting everybody know what was going on, but they've been completely silent this time. It's been about 24 hours now since I started having issues, and they have said absolutely nothing. So I'm not too sure what's going on there, but other people have also said that they're having the exact same issue, that their app just stopped working. And some people even posted a screenshot of the same message about it, the number not being available on iMessage, even though it was an iPhone number. So same thing's been happening for multiple people. And like I said, Beeper hasn't said anything on the matter, so I'm not too sure what is going on there, if they're going to be able to fix it again, or if Apple has finally, killed it completely. Only time will tell on that. I do hope they're able to find some kind of resolution to this where it works for more than 2 or 3 days at a time, because I really do like using the app on my OnePlus Open here. It's a really nice app to just keep my messages, in sync between my iPhone and my OnePlus Open and my Mac and all that kind of stuff. So hopefully it comes back from the dead for a third time, and maybe it'll work for more than 2 or 3 days, because I don't think we've ever had it working more than 2 or 3 days at a time before they have to take 2 or 3 days and fix it, and then Apple kills it again. So that is the current status of Beeper Mini. It is December 16th right now, Saturday, December 16th, and once again, Beeper Mini is dead. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe, and as always, have a great day.